In the ever-evolving world of software development, the role of a full-stack developer has become increasingly crucial. Full-stack developers are the versatile minds behind the websites and applications we use every day. They possess a unique blend of technical skills, enabling them to handle both the front end, which is the client side, and the back end, which is the server side, aspects of web development. Front-end development focuses on what users see and interact with directly. It's about crafting visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces that provide a seamless browsing experience. On the other hand, back-end development handles the behind-the-scenes magic. This involves server-side logic, databases, and APIs that power the website's functionality. The demand for skilled full-stack developers is skyrocketing. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of web developers and digital designers is projected to grow by 13% from 2022 to 2032. Much faster than the average for all occupations. Becoming a successful full-stack developer requires a diverse skill set and a passion for continuous learning. It's a challenging yet rewarding journey that opens doors to endless possibilities in the tech industry. Let's delve into the essential technologies and skills that will pave your path to becoming a sought-after full-stack developer in 2024. The front end is the face of your website, and creating a positive user experience is paramount. Mastering front-end technologies like HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript is fundamental for aspiring full-stack developers. HTML5 provides the structure and content of your web pages. CSS3 is used to style the look and feel, making your website visually appealing. JavaScript adds interactivity and dynamic elements, bringing your website to life. While these core languages are essential, modern front-end development relies heavily on JavaScript frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js. These frameworks provide pre-built components and libraries that streamline development, enabling you to build complex and interactive user interfaces efficiently. Choosing the right framework depends on your project requirements and personal preferences. React, developed by Facebook, is known for its component-based architecture and virtual DOM, making it highly performant.
He's wired in.
Angular, backed by Google, offers a comprehensive solution with a steeper learning curve but provides robustness and scalability. Vue.js is a progressive framework that's easy to learn and integrate, making it an excellent choice for both small and large-scale applications. As a full-stack developer, you'll need to be comfortable working with these front-end technologies to create engaging and user-friendly websites that leave a lasting impression on your users. While the front end handles the presentation, the back end is the backbone of your web application, responsible for handling data, logic, and server-side operations. As a full-stack developer, you'll need to be proficient in at least one back-end programming language and framework. Popular choices include Node.js, Python with frameworks like Django and Flask, and PHP. Node.js, built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine, allows you to use JavaScript for both front-end and back-end development, enabling a more streamlined workflow. Python, known for its readability and versatility, is widely used for web development, data science, and machine learning. PHP, a server-side scripting language, has been a staple in web development for years, and powers popular content management systems like WordPress. Each language and framework has its own strengths and weaknesses. Node.js excels in building real-time applications and APIs, while Python's Django framework is well-suited for complex web applications. PHP, with its vast community and abundance of resources, is an excellent option for beginners. Choosing the right back-end technology depends on your project's specific needs and your familiarity with the language and ecosystem. A strong understanding of back-end development will empower you to build robust and scalable web applications that deliver exceptional functionality. Data is the lifeblood of modern web applications. As a full-stack developer, you'll need to be proficient in working with databases, both SQL and NoSQL. SQL databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL store data in tables, making them suitable for structured data.
Database ID search.
Checking the databases.
NoSQL databases like MongoDB offer a flexible schema for unstructured data. Understanding SQL and NoSQL differences is crucial. Version control is indispensable for any developer. Git tracks changes, reverts versions, and enables collaboration. Platforms like GitHub provide centralized repositories for easy collaboration.